Hi everyone, welcome to Aktifer Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Durak. Today guys, I will help you how to learn letters in Turkish. That means Turkish alphabet. As you see, the title here is, for Turkish alphabet, Türkçe Alfabe. Türkçe Alfabe. Türkçe Alfabe. And this is lesson 1. Birinci ders. And also guys, I will put from now on lessons in order for you to follow lessons in order, and I hope these lessons will be updated lessons, and we will continue making lessons like this upon your request. Also will be appreciated. And guys, here in Turkish alphabet there are 29 letters. As you see here, letters in Turkish we say harf. Actually, this is the plural form. This is singular, harf, harf. And there are also, guys, 8 vowels in Turkish. In Turkish, we say for vowels, sesli, sesli, sesli. And 21 consonants. In Turkish, for consonants, we say sessiz, sessiz. Here is the harf. Harf means letter. Okay, guys. Also, there are things that you should know. In English, they don't have C like this. You know, these letters you cannot find in English. But also, in Turkish, we don't have these letters. W, Q, X letters, we don't have. Alright, guys. I hope it's clear information here. Now, let's get to vowels and consonants parts one more time. We categorize vowels into 2 parts. One of them is, as you see here, thick vowels and thin vowels. As you see here, thick vowels, a, o, u. And thin vowels, e, i, u. And consonants, as you see here, there is 21 consonants, guys. In Turkish, as you see here, we say for vowels, sesli, or other way, ünlü. Sesli, or you can say ünlü. Also for consonants in Turkish we say sessiz, or you can say ünsüz, ünsüz. And I would like to show you the letters here again, Turkish letters. As you see here, these are the letters in Turkish, but there are blue ones. Blue ones are consonant vowels. I want to point out here in blue ones. Okay, guys, of course, I will tell you each letter one by one by pronunciation. I want to point out again, harf in English, we say letter. Harf in Turkish, letter in English. Alright, now here, I give one example for each letter to pronounce correctly and easily. I hope these examples will help you out to pronounce correctly. For a, we say as an example here, arc, arc. A, and the small letter as you see on the right side, big letter on the left. Example here, guys, in the quotations. A, be, as in Becky, be, J, as here. Che, de, e, fe, ge. This letter is, guys, called in Turkish yumuşak ge. This kind of comma make this letter soft G in English pronunciation, soft G. But in Turkish we say yumuşak because of this, and this one is ge. Yumuşak ge. I couldn't find an example for this, but I will try to give you in the following examples next lessons, guys. And this is he. As an example here, the pronunciation in English starts like career. Okay, so the pronunciation here in these 2 letters make this sound of And this is big and this is small E, big E, small e. As an example here, E, im, the pronunciation, E. J, j. Maybe this example may help you. J, genre. J. Sorry. Yeah, okay, this is correct. Ke. Oh, guys, I want to point out something here. In Turkish, we also use dot here in Turkish. Dot, I forgot to put here. I'm sorry for this. We must use here dot. And this is ke, as an example here. Ke. Le, as an example here. Me, ne, o, as an example here. Burn, pe, re, se, she, te, u, like, and as an example, numerical. U, ve. We don't have this strong pronunciation as in English, so we just normally say we. Ye, ze. Okay, guys, these are the pronunciation part. I want to point out here the examples. I will give you a few examples here, actually. For example, ATV, MEIT, meet, KGB. Normally in Turkish it must be KGB, but however Turkish people use as this K, Ka. They say Ka, KGB. You never hear this KGB. So all the time Turkish people pronounce K letter Ka. KGB. BMW. As in this brand, some Turkish people use BMW for BMW actually, but sometimes you may hear BMW as in English from Turkish people. TRT, NHK. Okay, guys, these are a few examples as I told you before. Now I want to show you how we spell letters in Turkish. For this title we say kodlama. This title shows spelling letters. In Turkish we say harflerin. Harflerin kodlanması. Harflerin kodlanması. As you see here on the left, there's the question. In Turkish we say kodlayabilir misiniz. This is a question. So me is a question word. Kodlayabilir misiniz. Here the can shows abilir. Okay, guys, abilir. Kodlayabilir misiniz. Example, name. Let's say we want to spell name. In Turkish we say for name isim. And there are two questions you can ask in Turkish. Kodlayabilir misiniz? Kodlayabilir misiniz? Or you can say nasıl kodlarsınız? Nasıl kodlarsınız? Let's repeat one more time. Kodlayabilir misiniz? Nasıl kodlarsınız? Kodlayabilir misiniz in English? Can you spell? Nasıl kodlarsınız in English? How do you spell? An example dialogue I want to show you here. A, B, two people, let's say here. Question. Can you spell your name in English? In Turkish we say isminizi, your name, isminizi, your name, kodlayabilir misiniz? Kodlayabilir misiniz? İsminizi kodlayabilir misiniz? And the B person says, J O H N. J O H N. And the next person says, teşekkürler. In English, I put here actually, thank you. And the other example here, Amerika'yı nasıl kodlarsınız? That means in English, how do you spell America? Amerika'yı nasıl kodlarsınız? Okay, now let's say A M E R I K A. Also, you can say ka or you can say ke. There are 29 letters in Turkish, and for letters we say, for letter actually we say harf, and for vowel we say sesli, for consonants sessiz. Also, there are 8 vowels in Turkish, 21 consonants letters. So as you see here, there are no these letters in English and there are no letters in Turkish. And I hope this is a good lesson for you for the beginning. And if you have any questions about this lesson, please write to us, aktiverin@hotmail.com. And thank you for your time and hope to see you next time. Bye.